Welcome to another tutorial on the MOFI 5500 remote management. Today we're going to take a look on how you can change the Wi-Fi name, password via the remote management portal. So first thing you want to do is you want to make sure you're logged into the remote management portal of your router. If you don't know how to do that, you can refer to our remote management video, which will show you how to enable remote management and use it. So first, once you're logged in, you want to go to devices and you want to click on the device, which will give you details of your router here. Now that we are logged in, we could change our Wi-Fi name from here where it says WLAN SSID and set our password from here. However, it's pretty limited because if you have a MOFI 5500 router, you have both 2.4 gigahertz and 5 gigahertz version of the Wi-Fi. So if you scroll a little bit below, under all parameters, you will have the option to search for it. So you want to search for WLAN, and this will populate some options. Now, this one is for your 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi name. So if you want to change it, you just want to have to click on the pencil icon, and this will allow you to edit that. Now, you could try and do that for any of them. The second one, you see the WLAN configuration, which is false. It's for the MOFI guest. What false means is the MOFI guest Wi-Fi is deactivated. If you change it to true, then the MOFI guest will be turned on. Usually, you would just want to set up your Wi-Fi name and password for both the 2.4 gigahertz and the 5 gigahertz. So this is for the 2.4 gigahertz, and for the password for the 2.4 gigahertz is under the key passphrase. So you can just click on the pencil and then edit all that out. Now, if you scroll a little bit below, you will have the option for the 5 gigahertz, and that's where you will see it. And much like the 2.4 gigahertz, you can click on that pencil icon to set up the name and also the password for it. If you just want to turn off one or the other, all you need to do is for the enable, you just have to change from true to false. So if we want to make any change, say for an example, we want to change the name for the 2.4 gigahertz, we can set it to anything that we want. We can just name it to MOFI 2.4 gigahertz. If you want to set it, you absolutely have to click on queue. And then now that it's queued, you want to click on commit. It will go from pending to stale. What this means is the change has been set on the server side. So the active configuration server, the ACS, usually contacts the router every 10 minutes. So once the ACS contacts with the MOFI router, the change will take effect. So any change you want to make for the Wi-Fi, you have to do it similar way. So that's about it about setting up Wi-Fi name and password through the remote management portal. See you in the next one.